Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to solve undefined network problem. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, in order for you to fix this, just simply right click on the start menu over here on the bottom left corner of the screen and just simply go for network connections. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for change adapter options. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for the Ethernet over here or your network. And now just simply right click on it and a pop-up will show up. And from here, just simply go for properties over here, guys. And now once you are on properties, just simply go for Internet Protocol version 4 over here. Double click on it. And from here, guys, just make sure to toggle obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server address automatically. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, for the second method that you have is just simply go ahead and right click on it and go for disable. And once you have disabled it, just simply enable it again. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.